Stone rollers have been around for a very long time, so I want to show you in this video how to use it and the key benefits of a stone roller. The stone roller is great for all skin types, and the only thing I want you to remember is not to apply too much pressure. That's right, that's the only way you can go wrong is if you're too forceful with your stone roller. Now the benefits of a stone roller is it can really help with product penetration. It's great for relaxing, just massaging those muscles, elasticity, blood circulation, and helps with lymphatic drainage and puffiness, especially around the eye area. Now you see there's a smaller stone right here, and that is for around the eye area. And then you have the larger side of the stone roller, which is for the larger parts of your face, like the cheek and the jowl and so forth. Often I'm asked, how do I use this and what's the difference in the stone colors? I don't understand. So not to worry, I say a good rule of thumb is to go with whatever stone color that you are attracted to. That generally is the one that's just the right one for you, and don't get hung up on jade versus quartz. Leave that to us professionals who like to micro-analyze what we're going to use in the treatment room. If you take home the jade or if you take home the pink quartz, you are going to be just fine and just happy. Okay, so how to use. You can use this morning or at night whenever you like. You can put this little roller in the refrigerator before use, take it out, and it feels so good. Again, helping depuff those eyes, helping with circulation, lymphatic drainage. My rule of thumb, as I said before, is you don't want to apply too much pressure. That is the key. You want a nice, easy glide. It does help if you have product on your face, say your moisturizer or your eye cream, but you don't have to. It just is an easier glide on your skin, and that's what you want to kind of just slowly roll it up from corners. So you can start your corners from your mouth, angle down here, corner eye, and just work your way out. So when you've come to the outside here, you just lift and go back, and lift and go back, corner, outside, lift and go back, and you'll be able to tell what's too much pressure. It should be nice and comfortable, should be an easy glide. That's why it was very, very important when I got these rollers that they had a really nice smooth roll. So it is a big difference. It makes it so much easier to use when it has a nice smooth roll rather than a stiff roll. So all my rollers have a smooth roll.